Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in our last video we talk about how to file the Connecticut state sales tax return, and today we're gonna go through another state which is Colorado state. So uh, I will tell you each step by step process how you can file the return. We will reconcile the tax and we will see how we can match the tax with what you have on the report we should have on the portal as well. So before we move to the topic, I would request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update related to the taxation, in particular the US sales tax. So let's move back to the topic. This is my report. This is the Colorado state report. As you see, this is a county, and you can see that I have again used the VLOOKUP formula. This is my tax rate schedule here. I have the cities, I have the counties, and I have the rate here. And now, so there's a lookup formula here. Then we have another column here, which is tax rate. It's also taking the tax rate is also been taken through VLOOKUP by from this sheet, which is tax rate. And then there's a taxable sales, there's a non-taxable sales. So I've used the same pattern which I have followed in my last reports as well. So another thing now, in this report, as you notice that Colorado is one of the state which is a little bit complicated if we compare it with Indiana and with the Connecticut state. It's a little bit, it gives you have to file the counties, you have to file the cities tax, and you have to, you know, take the tax rate of combining state, counties, and cities. So what I have done here is that since I have to upload the counties and cities as well. So what I have done in here is I have made a pivot table here, and using the city and counties, and then using the sales and taxable amount and tax amount. So I'm gonna file now. So this is my pivot table. I have made the cities, counties as in a row, and then I have put the values of sales amount, taxable sales, and tax amount. So now we are going to the portal. This is my portal. We are going to file, since we have to file the February return and the due date is March 20. So I'm going to file return here. Now in this table, we have to manually input all the tax returns, all the tax cities and counties here. So my first is Aurora. Aurora is the name. So, so Aurora is the name of the county, and the city is Aurora is the name of the city, and the county is Adams. So I'm gonna put here. This is my total sales, and I'm gonna put deductions because I have some non-taxable sales, and I'm gonna put here sales of non-taxable services because these are the services. If you have the goods, you can put into the goods column as well. So check now, this is 43.08 tax and I have 50 here. Now why this is different? There's a minor difference. The difference is due to the discount. I have got the discount here. There's a discount here, right? If you see here, vendor discount. Then I have another city here. Another city is Thornton, and I have $35 here. I'm gonna put 35 here. Then I will go to this Continental. So it's a little bit lengthy return. It's a time consuming return. You have to, put all the counties. One solution could be you can import the file, but that's again you have to properly format that file according to the template that you are going to import. So I normally prefer manual, to be honest, because it takes some time, but it makes life much easier. 6182.31, 6182.31. The non-taxable sale here, 5892.65, 5892.65. So my total tax is 11 here. Again, I have the discount here. I go to the Boulder again. So here, if you notice here, I've searched Boulder and now I have the two options. The one is the Boulder is a city in the county of Longmont. Another one is the Boulder is a city in the county of Boulder. So I'm gonna choose this one because I have that in my report. Then I have this amount. I have to put all this in this one. The total amount is 7383.02, and then I put the same the non-taxable sales here 3414.3414.68, and the total is 199. So if you notice here, it's 198.02 and it's showing 199.70. So there's a little rounding difference. Might be because what happens is the Colorado takes the rounding figure. Then I have the Denver here. 139. So here if you notice I have on my report is 173.77, whereas the tax that the total is calculating is 139. In this particular city and county I'll always get the difference. So what I do is, in order to reconcile my tax, what you can do is you can put the difference in an excess tax. Like here if you see here we have the excess tax collected in this column. You can put anywhere, but I'm going to put here the excess tax. I will take the difference of both these, and the difference is 34.77. So this is the difference. So I'm going to put here. Now if you see here 172.38. Why I do is that normally what happens is the system sometimes do not generate the right amount of text, because I've in my starting I told you that Colorado takes the counties, the cities, and the state takes as well. So that combines the whole text, and this is why sometimes the text generated by the system is not as correct as it should have been. So what we can do here is we can just put the extra text in the excess text collected, and our total text will be reconciled in the end. Now moving forward to the next cities, I have Franktown here. 10, I'll put the here 1040. Then I have the Highlands Range. Highlands Range. And then I have the Lone Tree here. I have the Parker here, Parker. So I'm gonna combine both these because seems like I am not registered for Lone Tree. Since this is a dummy data, so I'm just telling you how to file the return. That's not the real data. What I'm gonna file is another data that normally I use to file for my clients. 970. So 15 points. So see, it's 15.60. I have 15.05 here. Then I have the Well City here. 285. Then I have the Colorado Springs. 8.41, 8.60. So this is how I'm gonna put all these amounts in my in my tax return, and then when I click, and you have to, by the way, you have to click this button as well. Once you are done with all this input of the text, counties and city, then you're gonna file, you're gonna click this one as well, file remaining non-physical sites as zero returns, because you have to, what the Colorado do is that you file each return for each separate return for these different counties and states. You're gonna collect next. So if you see, if I don't click this, it will say you will not be able to continue until all the sites have been filed. So when you click this one and then you click next, you will get to the payment information. You can just put the bank account and the bank ID and whatever the payment, through which channel you want to make the payment, and then you are done with that return. So this was a little, it's not a little actually, this is a long video, by the way. So this is how you can file the Colorado tax return. It's a lengthy return, it's a time consuming return, and you have to make sure that your tax reconcile with the portal. If you like this video, let me know in the comment box, and also if you want any other state that you want me uh, to go through the process, I will be more than happy to go through that. Thank you very much.